You got to leave your space, cause that's the only way you're gonna elevate. Yeah, you gotta hold the line till it's show time. Yeah, and just let your spirit shine. Well, sometimes there ain't no easy way to say all the things that we need to say.
So what we're gonna need is our brush and something to set our brush on. I like using an egg crate. I put it over here and then I set my brushes on it like that. So it's not laying on the table anywhere. It's not getting dust particles everywhere. It's just, you know, off the table. So let's start putting paint on our canvas. We're gonna start from the inside and work our way out. First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some white here. Then we're gonna put some yellow on both sides. Make sure you shake up your paint. None of this paint is mixed with anything. It's not mixed with water, Floetrol, or anything. It's just fresh paint. You're gonna do the same thing over here. Not as much on both sides. Now let's add some black to the outside of it. I'm gonna add a little more yellow to the middle as well though. All right, so now we have our crazy looking canvas. We'll move the paint out of the way. I'm gonna lock on my thumbtacks to the edge of the table. Now I'm gonna dust off my brushes. And now we're just gonna brush back and forth. So now what we're gonna do is take all of our tape off. So I taped the two short edges first, and then I did the long ones. So I need to now take the long ones off. Grab your corner, get ready to pull it, and then pull away. Make sure your hands are clean. All right, and that is our pink sunburst. I'm gonna let it dry, put it aside, and then we're gonna come back and add a couple more layers to it. And if you wanna watch that, click this link right here. It'll take you to that video. But as for this one, we're done. If you got something out of this, please help me out. Hit that like button, it means a lot. And if you want some more, hit the subscribe button. We got a lot going on over here. I'll see you in the next one.